Hello friends, welcome to Learning Revit MEP. So far we have discussed how to use HVAC design, how to create plumbing design, and now we are going to discuss that is fabrication model, how to generate fabrication model drawings from the Revit mechanical system. So we will review the first topic, that is completing the fabrication model and taking the ownership. Actually these two topics will be covered in a one video, so we will do that. So here I have opened the Revit and clicking on open button, so click on open, and I have two files, one is architectural file and another is mechanical file. So we will first open the architectural file, but click on this file and there are two main options. First one is audit. So we will turn on the audit. So what audit will be basically do? It will be just clean up the file, the families which are to be not to be used. So that one will be clean up, and we will detach this file from the central. So turn on this option, detach from the central, and by using this option detach from the central, it will be create a new local file for us. If you don't know about the work sharing in the Revit, so don't worry, I will be upload those topic training videos as well. But right now I am just turning on detach from the central and click on open, and that is a one more dialog box will be coming. Detaching this model will be create independent model. You will be unable to synchronize your changes with the original central model because of you have break the link between the original model and the new model. So we will use the detach and preserve the workset. So it will be open the Revit architecture model, and we will save this file. So directly clicking on save icon, GFM architect, and double click. Yes, we want to be replaced, and we will close this file. The purpose of this doing process is just we want to detach the file from the central file so that you can have basic idea of how to use this Revit. So now we will open or do the same process for the mechanical. So click on open, and mechanical, make sure both options should be ticked, and detach and preserve the workset. So now what we have done, that we have opened the architectural file, and we have detached that file from the central model, and we have opened the mechanical file, and we are also going to detach that file from the central model. And if you don't know about the work sharing process, then don't worry about that. In the future I will be upload those topic training as well. So once the file has been opened, here the file is prepared in the version of 2017 and I am opening in 2021. So it will be taking little bit more time in order to upgrade this file as well. So now as you can see, my model has been opened, and I will be just save this model, Control S, mechanical override, yes. Now the first thing that we will do, that is setting up the workspace. So worksets we will be set, and there are actually different type of workset that you will be create: design workset, fabrication workset, architectural link workset. So in order to use the workset, click on collaborate, and there is a option here workset. So click on workset, and these are the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 worksets are already there. So we will create new workset, mechanical underscores fabrication, and click on OK. And again click on new workset, let's say architectural link. OK, and we will set this workset as a current workset. So click on OK and set this workset as a current workset and save the file. So we have created the worksite, we have set up the worksite. Now we will ready for the fabrication process. So till in this video what we have seen, we have opened the architectural model, we have opened the MEP model, and now we have set up the worksite, and we will go to the insert and click on Revit link. And there is an option here, architecture file that we want to be linked, and make sure the position should be auto, internal, origin to origin. So click on open. So as you can see, architecture model has been now linked into this MEP model, so that you can have the clear idea about the background of the architectural models like walls, doors, windows, and the MEP model as well. So we will save this file, and we will move for the fabrication process.